At the Sailing Academy in Muscat, 40 young women are taking part in a selection process to become the first female sailing instructors in Oman. They've only been sailing for just a few weeks, but they're learning fast. And have made an impression on their coaches. But it's not just technical knowledge these girls have gained.
Every day they're growing up. Every day, day by day. They trust themselves now. Before, they are not like that.
Keep your rudder steady. Your rudder steady. Hold your rudder steady. Capsize! No, you won't capsize.
Coach Marina Sichoglu, a professional sailor from Greece, puts the girls through their paces, letting them find out one or two things the hard way.
You have to learn how to do it. This was just a small first step in what I hope that will be a huge project. There is a lot of potential, and I think that these ladies are really determined and they will succeed. The most difficult part they've already done. I mean, they went out of their house and they came in boats. I really admire them. They are really amazing.
It's the last day of training before the women find out if they've been selected to be an Oman sail instructor. It's also an insight to the sport at the highest level, as they join double Olympic medalist Shirley Robertson.
We don't sit in the boat like this, only the helmsman. Everyone else has their legs under here and their head out like that.
From apprehensive first-timers taking their first nervous steps on the water to this. Their journey in the sport has just begun, but they've made so much progress and appear to be loving every minute.
Ladies, what if I said to you that we are going sailing now and we will be back in the morning?
Yeah! Let's go!
You're crazy!
The women are just hours away from finding out if they've made selection. It's decision time. These women have spent the last 3 weeks on a rigorous training course that's challenged every one of them. It's a moment that could change their lives forever.
نشوى الكندي سعادة الحبسي نورة الحبسي. Congratulations. Now I have news for the rest. You all made it.
أنا سعيدة وايد إن كل يوم رايح مع التيم مالي ونكون فازا، وإن شاء الله نكون بحارات عمانيات أو مدربات عمانيات بإذن رب العالمين، نرفع اسم عمان وعلم عمان فوق إن شاء الله.
No word to say. I don't have any word, but I'm really happy, especially that all of us will be together again. It's amazing thing.
Weeks later, the same women were centre stage in Muscat as the women's programme was shared with the outside world. The nation's Minister of Education, Her Excellency Dr. Madia bint Ahmed Al-Shibaniva, the guest of honour.
I am delighted to be announcing the first ever Omani Women's Sailing Squad.
An emotional moment for the women of Oman.
We're very proud to see young Omani women take part in sailing and become trained and hopefully compete at an international level. It's something that's in line with the directives of His Majesty to promote women in all the different sectors and especially in the sports sector.
Next February, Omani women will be on board the only all-female crew in the Sail Arabia the Tour, on this boat. Seamaster Sailing will be following their story.
The women have really embraced the opportunity. They're very quick learners, they're thirsty for knowledge, and they work together, and it's been a joy to see it.